Alright, here is a ceiling fan light kit that you might have never seen before in your life. This is a Lamps Plus brand 5-arm retro style ceiling fan spotlight kit that I got from that store that I said. I got for at least $79 with that used option. And it got here just a few days ago, and I decided to put this light kit on this cheap blend builder fan that I have here. But I'm not going to say the brand of this fan and the model name too, because I already know you know the brand and model name of this fan, judging by the title. I got this light kit because I just love the 5-arm spotlight kit, which you might have never seen before, like I said. I just really like this light kit, and I decided to get this and decided to put this on this fan. So yeah, I am, in the future when I get Casablanca ceiling fans like the Panama 4 Seasons 2 or 3, the Delta, or other ceiling fan model names that are Casablanca in white, which I don't have currently, I'm definitely going to try this spotlight kit on those fans I mentioned in the future, or other similar fans that are good. However, I'm just going to test this ceiling fan light kit that I have on this fan. So yeah, I'm going to give it a demo and enjoy. The bulbs I'm using on this fan are included in the box of the light kit. Those are clear filament warm white LED bulbs that I'm using. But however, I prefer the 5000 Kelvin daylight white bulbs, but I decided to use its included bulbs because why not? And now that concludes this demonstration video. So I hope you enjoyed and stay tuned for more future content.